If you have an import from China using Xianyu app, consider to watch this video because I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to install the app and the beginner guide to general review for Xianyu shopping app from China. So let's go. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Xianyu. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure on link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about importation business. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to Xianyu app install and the ultimate guide for beginner, a China second-hand importation shopping app. So let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you is to head over to your Chrome. So I'm going to click on here to open my Google Chrome. 2.taoba.com. Then you can see the URL right here, 2.taoba.com. Then click on search. So it's going to take you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to get the app. So you can see the download is being prepared right here. So after a successful download complete, next thing we want to do is to exit from here and exit from the web browser. Next thing we want to do is to head over to our phone folder. So right here, I have my files right here. I'll click on files and I'll click on downloads. So we have this setup file right here. So this is the right one we need to install. So next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to install the app. Then I click on install. Then app was installed. Next thing I'm going to do is to exit from here. Then I have to head over to my phone screen and look for the app icon. So here we go. This is the app right here. So I'm going to simply click on it. Then the next thing for me to do is to click on here to proceed. Then I make sure I click on allow. I've successfully entered the app, but nevertheless, we still need to log into this account successful. So what we want to do next is to make sure we click on here and we make sure we click on here to proceed. Then we make sure we click on our Taoba account. Boom. So we have successfully logged in and registered in the app. So it's as simple as that. We have successfully installed, download and register to the app. So let's simply explore to our profile. So for us to do that, we have to click on here. Then we have our dashboard right here, such as account name, the product pending, on transit, ready to receive, and feedback. So we can simply translate some of the information right here to be able to understand more better as far as the Xianyu app is concerned. And in my future tutorial, I'm going to make a lot of video as far as how you can shop, how you can find supplier, and how you can ship directly from China using Xianyu shopping app. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about this particular app. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.